Hello kids.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello everyone. Myself Shanaz. Welcome back to MPC Mustafa Tuition Center. These all are my 5th standard kids from same school and same class. Okay. So kids, now I'm going to take a quiz competition. Okay. It's a one word answers. Okay. So it is in EVS. Okay. How many lessons are done in EVS? 7 lessons are done. I have selected first 3 lessons for your quiz. Okay. What are the first 3 lessons? Changing families, games, blow hot, blow cold. Okay, so from these 3 lessons I have prepared altogether 35 questions. Okay, so I'll ask the question, you have to answer one question to each one of you. Okay, and you will get +1 for giving right answer. Okay, no minus markings and no passing on the question also. But if you know the other one, if they know the answer, they can answer. Fine. Okay, so the first answer that comes out from your mouth will be considered. So think and answer. Don't give me wrong answers. Did you understand, kid? Okay, sit properly, be alert, listen to the question properly, and then answer. All the very best. Smile, please. Okay? Very easy questions, don't worry. This lesson is explained in the school as well as in tuition, yes? So you should be knowing it perfectly now. Okay, first question. Shall I start with girls? Okay. Pranavi, first question. A group of people who are related to one another by birth or marriage are called?
Family, ma'am.
Family is the right answer. +1 to Pranavi. Please clap for her. Very good. Okay, next question. Swecha. A diagrammatic representation that shows relationships among all the members of a family.
Answer is a family tree.
A family tree is the right answer. +1 to Swecha. Please clap for her. Okay, Satvik, your question. A family is a source of. What all you get from family? A family is a source of
Love,
love,
support,
care. Care. Very good. Please clap for Satvik. +1 to Satvik. Very good. Okay. Next question to Pranavi. What are mother's parents called?
maternal grandparents.
Maternal grandparents is the right answer. +1 to Pranavi. Please clap for her. Okay. Swecha, your question. What are father's parents called?
The answer is paternal grandparents.
Paternal grandparents is the right answer. +1 to Swecha. You just have to tell the answer. Don't have to tell the answer is. Okay? Fine. Next question to Satvik. Movement from one's native place to another place.
Migration.
Migration is the right answer. Please clap for Satvik. +1. Very good. Okay. Till now there is no one lost the point. Yes, everyone is getting the point. Okay. So, movement from one's native place to another place is called what? Migration. And the people who are migrating are called migrants. You know that, right? Okay. Then next question. When people leave their own country. Pranavi, your question. When people leave their own country to settle permanently in other country, what is that called?
Immigration.
Immigration is the right answer. +1 to Pranavi. Okay. So it is called immigration. EMI, immigration. Okay. So leaving one's own country is called immigration, and the person who is leaving is called immigrants. Okay. You know there is also one word called immigration. Yeah, immigration and immigration, there is a difference. EMIGRATION, immigration means leaving your own country and going to some other country and for the job to settle there permanently. Okay, and EMMIGRATION, immigration means when people enter into another country. Okay, your entry into another country. Okay, did you understand the difference? Okay, then next question to Swecha. Can you list some reasons of immigration? Why people immigrate? Some reasons of immigration. Swecha. Whatever you know, you answer. If you give me the right answer, at least half point I can give you, right? Some reasons of immigration. Why people immigrate from one country to other country. Come on. For money. Money is there in other country. Fast. For job, for better work opportunities, for better job opportunities, then that's it, only 1 point. Okay, I give half point to Swechak. You know, Pranavi, tell me, what is the answer?
Better work opportunity and
Okay.
marriage.
Okay,
Better Job opportunity.
Okay, better job opportunity. See, why people go from one country to other country? Now you're in India. Okay, when you grow up, you will go to other country. Why you are going? For fun? Why you are going? Why immigration? See, tourism is different. Just to visit a country, to see the country, that is different. I'm talking about immigration. Why people immigrate from one country to other country? For better education, for better job opportunities, or when someone gets married there, okay? Or for higher education. Yes or no? These are the reasons, okay? Swecha, you lost half point. Okay, Satvik, next your question. When a family is forced to move from a village, when a family is forced to move from one place to other, what is that called?
Displacement.
Displacement is the right answer. +1 to Satvik. Please clap for him. Clap. Very good. Please sit. Okay. So displacement. See, one is moving from one place to another place. With your own will is immigration. When you are forced to move, Satvik, that is called what? Displacement. Did you understand? Okay. Next question to Pranavi. Can you tell me some reasons for displacement, Pranavi? Why people are forced to move from one place to another place? Why? What are the reasons? Why people are forced to move from one place to another place? Displacement. What are the reasons? Pranavi, now we are living. Where we are living now, Pranavi? In India. In India where? Telangana. Telangana state. In Telangana state where? In Secunderabad. Okay. Suppose if we are forced to leave from Secunderabad and shift to some other city. Okay. Why we will be forced? Why? We are not going out of our own interest. We are forced to go. Why? What could be the reasons? Yes, floods. Then fast. Only one reason? At least one more you give? Earthquake. Okay, fine. Give her half point. Only half point. Okay, so what could be the reasons of displacement? Floods. Yes, kids. Natural calamity. Floods, famine, drought, earthquake. Yes, some wars, riots, fights are going on. Then what you will do? Forcefully you have to leave your home and then go to some other place for safe life. Yes or no? Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Next question to Swecha. Sechva, your question is, people who leave their own home during a war to seek shelter in another country are called? Tell me. See, in your country, a war is going on. Say in our country, war is going on. Okay, and now it is no more safe to stay here. So we are forced to move to other country. We are going to other country to take shelter there, so that we can save the life of ourselves or our loved ones. Okay, then what are we called there? They will make camps for us to stay, temporary shelter. What are we called? Anybody knows the answer? No? Refugees. What are we called? Refugees. No marking. Refugees. What are we called? Refugees. Kids, easy one, right? Please try and answer. Satvik, your question. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? First Indian woman to win Olympic medal. Olympic medal. First Indian woman. Karanam Malleshwari. Very good, Satvik. +1 to Satvik. Please clap for her. Very good. Karanam Malleshwari. Please sit. Okay, she won bronze medal. In where, where? In which game? Weightlifting. Weightlifting. She lifted altogether around 250 kgs. Okay, and she won bronze medal for India. So she was the first woman to get a medal in Olympics. Okay, fine. Next question to Pranavi. Who was the first Indian woman astronaut to travel to space? Who was the first Indian woman astronaut to travel to space? Fast, Pranavi. We should never forget her. She made India proud, yes? First Indian woman to travel to space. You see her picture everywhere in the books. In EVS book for sure it will be there. In our universe chapter. Yes? Yes, first woman only I am telling. Kids, don't help. Stand up and tell me little louder, please. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla? No, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian astronaut, woman Indian astronaut who traveled to space. Okay, +1 to her. Okay, Swecha, next your question. Kids, answer confidently. Your question. Who was the first female pilot of India? First female pilot of India. First female pilot of India. See, women are no more like before, right? They used to that stereotype. There is no more stereotyping in any profession. Yes, they even flew aeroplane. Yes, they have that aviation license. Yes, who was the first female Indian to fly the aeroplane? Pilot, Indian woman pilot. Fast. Anybody else knows the answer? No point for Swecha. Anyone else know the answer? What? Sa. Sarla Thukral. Please sit. No point for Swecha. Sarla Thukral. Who is that? Repeat after me. Sarla Thukral. See, these are the people, these are the women who made us proud. We should never forget their names. Sarla Thukral. Okay, at the age of 21, she got her aviation license. Okay, she was the first Indian woman to fly a aeroplane. Okay, we should never forget. Okay, next question to Satvik. Satvik, please listen. Okay, list some benefits of games and sports. We participate in games and sports. Okay, can you tell me some benefits? If we play games and sport, how it is beneficial to us? No, not games names. I am telling how it is good for us. In what way? If we play games and sports, how it is good for us? In what all ways?
Cricket.
No?
Ma'am.
1 minute. You will not get the point, but no, I am not asking games names. How it is beneficial to us, I am telling. What all you get when you play sports? You know or you don't know?
Joy.
Please sit. No? Please sit. You tell me. Tell.
Fit activity.
You can be, it helps you to stay fit, active, it gives you joy, it gives you pleasure, it is also a source of entertainment, you will become disciplined. Yes or no? And you will learn teamwork. Yes, lot of benefits of participating in sports and games. Yes, Satvik, that means Satvik is not participating in any sports activity at school. Yes, that's why Satvik don't know the benefit. Okay, sit. Next, no point to Satvik, no point. Okay, next question to Pranavi. Pranavi, your question is, what are the types of games based on the place where they are played? I explained this chapter very well. What are the types of, see, games are of different types. Pranavi, you're listening to me. Games are of different types. Based on the place where they are played, what are the different types of games? What are the two types of games? I explained this. That means you're not...
Cricket.
I am asking, tell me the category. Tell me to whom I am asking the question. It is Pranavi's question. Please sit properly. Yes, Pranavi, tell me the answer. What are the types of games?
Playground.
What they are called? What they are called? Based on the place where they are played. What are the two categories? I told. Yes, tell loudly. Indoor games and?
Outdoor games.
My God, slow started. Okay, indoor games and outdoor games. +1 to Pranavi. Claps. So slow. You like. Okay. So, what are the two types of games based on the place where they are played? Indoor games, outdoor games. Didn't I explain this? Not listening at all. Okay, next question. Swecha, can you tell me some examples of indoor games? Swecha, indoor games, examples? Indoor games, just tell me some games names which you play indoor.
Carrom.
That is her question. Carrom, chess, Ludo, cards. Okay, very good. Please sit properly. Okay, +1 to Swecha. Good, keep it up. Please clap for her. Okay, next question. Don't help each other. It's a quiz. It's a competition. And it should be a fair play. Okay? Satvik, your question. Can you tell me names of some outdoor games? Outdoor games.
Cricket.
Cricket. Football.
Baseball.
Baseball, basketball, hockey. Very good. Please clap for Satvik. +1 to Satvik. Next question to Pranavi. Pranavi, can you tell me the types of games based on the number of players? See, games are divided into different categories. Based on the place where it is played, it is divided into indoor games, outdoor games. Based on the number of players, it is divided into 2 types. What are they? What are they? Fast. Yes. Very good. Can you tell that louder?
Individual games, team games.
Individual games and team games. Very good. +1 to Pranavi. Clap for her. Next question, Swecha. Name some local games played in India. Some local games played in India.
Cricket.
Cricket is not a local game, dear. Some local games I am telling. Cricket fans will get angry if you say it a local game. Tell me. Some local games which are played in India.
Game.
No? It is an indoor game.
Outdoor game.
Please sit. You don't know the answer? No point to Swecha. Satvik, Pranavi, you know the answer? What are the local games? No point to Swecha. Gilli Danda, hopscotch, kabaddi. Yes, these are the local games that are commonly played in India at traditional level. Okay. Next question to Satvik. Name the famous traditional sport of Kerala which takes place during Onam. During Onam, one traditional sport is played in Kerala. Okay, it's a kind of race. What is that? What is that name of that game? You tell in Malayalam or you tell in English, I'll accept. What is that game name? It's a race. It's a race it's a traditional game which is played in Kerala during Onam period, during Onam festival. Tell me. You know? What boat? No? Pranavi, you know the answer? Vallam Kalli. Yes, Vallam Kalli is the right answer. But no point to Satvik. Vallam Kalli is the right answer. Clap for Pranavi. Satvik, sit. Vallam Kalli. It is a snake board race. Snake board race. During Onam festival, they'll play it. Swecha, you're listening? What is the game name I said? What is the sport name? You're not listening, right? Vallam Kalli. Snake board race.